Hey friends, this is Atif Hope well and welcome to the new update on Harvest Finance. As in my earlier video of Harvest Finance, I was showing you a huge breakout from a very big falling wedge pattern that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was my last video, by the way. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price and has rallied very well, and we have broken out so many significant resistance levels. Like we first broke out this very significant resistance of $30 that has been previously breaking as a very strong support, and after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance. We got rejection here, and after that, we also, in fact, before that, we also broke out this very strong resistance of EMA 21 as well. That was for the past several months working as a very strong resistance, and now you can see it is working as a nice support. And now recently, after this price correction, the price and also tested the support here as well. And after that, we also broke out another very significant resistance that was here at $41 that had been previously breaking at a very strong support here and resistance here for several weeks or months. And now it can work as a strong support. And right now you can see it is trying to break out the next resistance of $57.50 that had been previously breaking as a very strong resistance for several weeks here and here as well. And now again, it is working as a strong resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this recent formation of another rising wedge pattern as well. Right now, after getting bounced from the support of the wedge, the price line is moving towards the resistance. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Harvest Finance that I shared on 26th of Feb 2024 with my members in the previous week, in the previous month. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that Harvest Finance formed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. This was a complete trade signal. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And so far, it has pumped almost 40%. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the link to join me there in the video's description you can find. Let me to take you to the live chart of Harvest Finance, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And you can see that for the past several months or even years, since after the month of December 2020, it was moving inside this quite big falling wedge pattern. We found the support here in the month of December 2020 and resistance here in the month of January 2021. And since then, you can see it was not able to break out the resistance. And finally, after getting squeezed inside this wedge and after finding a quite strong support here, at $20.50. In fact, the price line also formed a double bottom at this support as well. This was the first bottom, and this was the second bottom, and finally the price line broke out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. So far, from this low to this high, it has pumped almost 225%, but could not break out this long-term resistance of $57.50 and also got rejected by the resistance of this rising wedge pattern as well. By the way, you can see it is testing the support of this rising wedge pattern more than the resistance. That is a bit critical, but we still have a lot of supports just below the support of this rising wedge pattern. Like we have the support of this EMA 21 that was previously breaking as a very strong resistance for several months, and now it is working as a nice support. You can see after this price correction, the price then tested the support of EMA 21 here and almost here as well. Here we, by the way, moved very close to this EMA 21 but did not touch this. And we test this support, by the way, of $41. And then price then geared up. Therefore, again, this EMA 21 and this $41 can break as a strong support in case of breaking down the support of this rising wedge pattern. By the way, in case of breaking down, the technical target is here at the bottom of the wedge. That will be approximately at $20. However, again, I would like to say that it will be difficult for the price to break down these supports. Now, if the price breaks out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, then in case of breaking out, the technical target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at $147. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that target is here at the top of this wedge. That is between $900 to $1,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.